Yeah, I told y'all that the Wolfpack Talk Show episode 9 will come. See, I told you I'd keep my promise. Did it. And what can you guys expect for this talk show? Well, I've been busy. I told you that I couldn't do another. I can't do episode 9, but we're here. And all I can say is the Wolfpack is going to be the best. Yeah, don't worry, Wolfpack will be the best, some way or another. Because the Wolfpack can achieve great stuff. Some people might say that's hard to do, but it's not. You see, I can't really say that, the Wolfpack has beef with the Colt. Yes, they do. But I sure hell know that it will not be a BYW Mania 2 match. No way. There's not gonna be a Wolfpack versus Colt. I guaranteed there ain't gonna be no fucking Colt versus Wolfpack. Now, Mania. Let's talk about Mania. You see, 2 members of the Wolfpack had main evented Mania the first, and we put ourselves to the top of that match. We had made that match 5-star. Domination was the Wolfpack match as well. It was Tiger versus King Dominator. And that. See, we made evented Domination and Dominania. But will the Wolfpack main event Dominania 2? Will the Wolfpack will they main event Domination 2 as well? Well, it all depends. I know people are wondering where can the match happen. They want to see Tiger versus King Dominator in the last man standing match. Because last time I checked, Tiger versus King Dominator in the last man standing basically happened at Domination 2017. Domination 2, will last man standing happen there, or will it happen on Domania 2? Nobody knows. But you see, I put one hell of a show at Clash of the Kings. Kickoff and main event. See, I kicked off Clash of the Kings. I main evented Clash of the Kings. I try to make that pay-per-view for both feds, not just for KW. That's not a KW pay-per-view. That is a ASW pay-per-view as well. KW/ASW first ever pay-per-view, Clash of the Kings. We did what we do best, and that is make a great match, and we entertain the fans. That's what we do. We want fans to like what we do because that's what entertaining is all about. You see, the reason why, Blue Knight did main event some matches. He didn't main event all of them. Like, Red Knight was part of Clash of the Kings. See, because in that time of that pay-per-view, the loser champion was basically Blue Knight, and we all know I'm gonna beat him because I beat him so many times. I beat Red Knight so many times, but he gave me a fucking great match. Not gonna lie. And the last man standing match that I had with Red Knight for my world champion, he lasted longer than he was. He lasted way longer. Way long. Now people say that I won't be undefeated for a long time. I won't be undefeated because someone's going to beat me. There could be anybody that could beat me. Anybody can have a chance to beat me. Well, in the future, I'm giving you a future contract. White Eagle, you said people could beat me. Let me see if you can put your money where your mouth is, and you can do that. Because I know you're talented, man. And I can't wait to have an actual match with you. I did beat the clock. I did beat you in that beat the clock challenge. But damn, you put up a great match in that beat the clock challenge. I'll give you respect. But otherwise, let's just say the Wolfpack is hashtag #1 in wrestling. You see, everyone thinks the Cult is the #1 factor of wrestling faction. But you know why I say the Wolfpack is #1 in BYW? Because the Cult, they don't even like backyard wrestling. They don't like backyard wrestling. They want to destroy that. They even said it themselves. Oh, they don't compare to. They don't put it as. They say wrestling, not backyard wrestling. They say F backyard wrestling. They don't like backyard wrestling. So why would they disrespect it and say, oh, we're the #1 faction in backyard wrestling? No, that's the Wolfpack. We busted our ass off, and we we are not separate like the Cult. We are in the same state. We are in the same arena. And unlike the Cult, at least the Wolfpack is actually equal. There's no leaders in the Wolfpack. Much like the Cult, they have a leader. But enough said. I am here to do what's best for my business, what's best for KEW, and that's dominate. That's why King Dominator is holding a title for KW and ASW, because I'm KW/ASW World Champion. You see, that's why people like me will reign supreme. You see, I won this back in Christmas Chaos. KW's first ever Christmas Chaos. And there will be a Christmas Chaos too. Just stay tuned. Hell, when Christmas Chaos 2 comes, it will be maybe Tiger versus Dominator. Or Red Knight might be better than he was on 2017. 2018, maybe this could be his day. Maybe this could be his year. He accomplished everything. He became Ultimate God Champion. He became United States Champion. He became, what else? He became European Champion. He became Superstar Briefcase Holder. First ever. So I can't take much stuff away from him. He's done a lot of things that no one has never expected. I'm pretty sure everyone unexpected him to win titles. Like they don't believe in him. And I have to give some credit to Mr. Blue Knight, because he did the same. He became European Champion. He became United States Champion. He never became Ultimate God Champion. Red Knight have done everything faster. Everything faster than Blue Knight. You might See, you guys might think that's crazy, but you see, it's Red Knight. He tried his best to be the best. And the reason why he fails is because he is not the Wolfpack. He is not Tiger. He is not King Dominator. That's why the Demolisher is undefeated in the Divas division. That's why she was Diva of the Year. That's why she accomplished a lot more than the other divas. Even though she was loser champion before, the Nerd was loser champion. And I'm surprised that nobody have not became loser champion. But that's besides the point. The point is that people can keep on disrespecting us. People can just keep on disrespecting our legacy, we can keep disrespecting the legends that we have created, the legends that we are, and that's BYW. They could try to destroy that, but they can't. No matter if it's at Cult Mania 2 at July 30th or whatever near July. They gotta respect us because we got the balls. We put our body on the line for the fans, for backyard wrestling. We've done everything. And you guys just don't see that. For the people that don't see it, open your damn eyes. For the people that does, I appreciate it. But the point is, I have been doing this for 4 years. It's almost 5 years. It's almost 5 years. You see, if people want me to defend my briefcase, my superstar briefcase, I can do that. But you know, I'm not gonna really have the briefcase very long. You see, because I have other things to do. Because, you know, even though I'm KW World Champion / ASW World Champion. Yeah, I'm ASW and KW World Champion. Yeah, I know it's weird. But that's how it is when we have two companies besides. So how long will it take? I mean, today is February 27th. July is in 5 months from now. 5 fucking months from now. I'm pretty sure between 5 to 6 months, Cult Mania, whatever you want to fucking call it, BYW Mania 2 will come, and then once it comes, the cult will finally perish. Like that. For the people that keeps on saying that the cult was going to, the haters, the betrayers that are with the cult can go fuck themselves, because they are the people that don't like and betray backyard wrestling. And I'm going to be the one protecting backyard wrestling. I don't care if it's a laughable thing that you think it is. You take me as a joke. I am serious right now. I do this for fun, you know, for entertainment, for people to see what entertaining is. When people like Joe Razor is very unprofessional. He's not professional like the Wolfpack. He's not professional like Tiger or King Dominator or John Collins or Aaron Strowman. We are professional, and we are Hashtag winners. Hashtag the Wolfpack rules. King Dominator.